Samsung fans have been eagerly waiting for One UI 7, and today we've got an exciting glimpse of what's in store. During the annual developer conference, Samsung confirmed that the Android 15 base One UI 7 update will be officially released next year. This news might be a bit disappointing for those hoping to get their hands on the update sooner, but there's more to the story. Samsung did give a high-level summary of the update during its annual developer conference, but for those itching for a deeper look, Sammobile got some hands-on time with the Galaxy S24 Ultra running One UI 7 at the conference, giving us a first look at some major changes and redesigns coming with this update. So let's dive into what One UI 7 has to offer. For months, rumors have been swirling about a major design overhaul coming with One UI 7, and now we finally have some confirmation. The new interface looks sleeker and more polished than ever before. Samsung has revamped everything from the app icons to the notification shade, and quick toggles have been given a fresh new look. These changes are all aimed at creating a clutter-free, user-friendly experience that looks cleaner and feels smoother to navigate. One of the biggest changes comes to the camera interface, where Samsung has focused on one-handed use. Many of the controls have been shifted to the bottom of the screen, making it much easier to snap photos or switch modes with just one hand. This is in line with the core principles of One UI, which have always emphasized ease of use, especially on larger devices like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The new camera interface can be seen in action in the video we captured at the event. It's clear that Samsung has made this change with usability in mind, allowing users to access important features without reaching across the screen. Another notable update in One UI 7 is the revamped multitasking or recent app screen. Samsung has reworked this feature, and many users have noticed that it now looks a lot like the app switcher on iOS. The resemblance is unmistakable, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. The new design allows for a more streamlined app switching experience, making multitasking faster and more intuitive. One feature that has caught the eye of many is the vertical app drawer. Previously, this was an option available through the Home Up module in the Good Lock app, which is known for offering deep customization on Samsung devices. With One UI 7, it looks like Samsung is bringing this feature to the standard settings, making it more accessible to all users. This change, along with others, shows how One UI 7 is giving users more control over their phone's interface, allowing for a more personalized experience without needing ready for the public. While the wait might feel long, it's looking like One UI 7 will be one of the most significant updates in recent years, so it's probably worth the delay. Samsung fans will just have to hold on a little longer until next year when One UI 7 officially rolls out, likely alongside the Galaxy S25. In conclusion, One UI 7 is shaping up to be a game changer for Samsung users. With a redesigned interface, smoother animations, and more intuitive controls, it's clear that Samsung is focusing on delivering a refined experience. While it might not be available until next year, the early glimpses we've seen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra are enough to get everyone excited. Stay tuned for more updates on One UI 7 as we continue to uncover more details about this highly anticipated release. News about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.